So let's do a quick one today. It's about you pass your driving test at the test centre. You drove okay, you're back at the car park at the test centre, and the examiner said to you, well done, you passed, or congratulations, you passed. At that point, you're over the moon. Then you've got to make a decision. They're going to ask you for your driving licence. So you either hand over your provisional licence to them, and they're going to process it all for you, and it'll take about, they say 2 to 3 weeks, but at the moment it's being pretty quick. It's taking less than a week, but it all depends on the area, I suppose, and that does change. So if you're not in a rush for your driving licence, then let them do all the paperwork. Let them get all processed, because what they'll do then is when they give you the certificate and they leave the car, they're going to process your provisional licence so it becomes a full licence. And if you're lucky, you'll get it within a week or two. So if you're not in a rush for it, that's what you want to do. If you need your driving licence, just say for instance, you just turned 18, because I've had this happen to one of my students, where they passed the driving test on their 18th birthday, and even though the examiner said, do you want me to process it all? Said, no, I want my driving licence at this point because I'm going out tonight, said. So it might be you're in the same situation. You're going out a few days later and you're already 18 and you want the provisional as proof of your age. So you might need it. So that's fine. But what you've got to do then is go to the post office and get a form. Now, I think it's a D1 form, but I might be wrong. It's D something from the post office about updating your licence, and then you've got to fill the form in and send it off and get it all updated. And it will take then another couple of weeks to come through. So it's up to you what you want to do, whether you want to do it or whether you want the examiner to do it. The easy options, let the examiner do it, because it costs you enough money, £62 at a point, let them do the work. But if you think you need your driving licence for ID or you need it for something, then you keep hold of it, but you still got to send it off, because even though you pass your driving test at that point, you've got to get it processed so the DVLA know you're a full licence holder at that point. Okay? Good luck and make your decision based off what your situation is.